All right, how fast can I get my patent filed? That's another great question involving timing. Um, we prefer it's ideally you start thinking about patent protection 30 days, more than 30 days, 60 days, 90 days before you plan to disclose the invention. That's ideal. Disclosure might be a trade show, it might be a launch event, it might be who knows, you're you know, making your website live, opening your store where you're going to be selling your product. Um, Whatever that disclosure is, um, if ideally start thinking about patent protection 3 months, 2 months before that. That's so that we have enough time to do a really great, thorough job of going through with you, the back and forth, really understanding what you need and what your invention is, not on the surface, but really deep down, like what's really going on. What is the core inventive concept that we really need to protect? That takes some time to really develop that. And then there's time for the just mechanics of getting the drawings done and everything. So the less we have to rush that process, the better your end product is going to be. If you allow, if you can allow more time, that's great. If you can't, if you're like less than 30 days to your launch event and you're now starting to freak out about having enough time to get your patent filed, don't worry, schedule a call now. There are things that we can do. We can get something filed. And because it's all about priority, something filed is better than nothing. So we have worked on very short timelines for people. We can work on a rush. We've done things in a week or two. It's better to not wait till the last minute, but all is not lost. If you are a week or two, 3 weeks out, schedule a call right now, and let's get started. There's plenty that we can do to get something filed before your disclosure, and that disclosure is important because not only does it put your invention out there, and someone else might get to the patent office before you, but that disclosure starts a timeline which starts to foreclose your ability to get patents. In other words, it can be held against you and keep you from getting a patent, and under certain circumstances and in certain countries. So it's really best to have something filed before your first disclosure. That's ideal. All right, so I hope that helps.